How to create an asset. Choose Assets from side menu. Then click Add Assets icon. Then enter your asset details in given field. Enter machine model. Then serial number. Enter your machine code, then part number. Choose parent asset if needed, then choose your machine category. Then choose your customer name. You can also add customer by typing your customer name, then click Add New Customer to create new customer. Let's choose any customer already given below. Then choose location. Then select department. Then fill these fields as per your asset requirements. And click Save. Now you successfully created your asset. To add image and inventory to your asset, click your asset. Then click Upload Image Asset and choose your file. Crop your image as per your need and click Save. To add inventory to your asset, click Add Parts. Then type your inventory name. And then enter the availability quantity. Then set unit cost and minimum quantity. Select your user group and click Save. You can also download QR code of your inventory here. Click Save and you can see the changes you made.